of a young girl called Cinderella. One overcast day, Cinderella was feeling a bit lonely. She decided to invite her two friends.
Best friends.
Yes, her best friends. Red Riding Hood and Snow White to visit her house.
Mansion.
Okay, sure. She invited them to visit her mansion.
When suddenly there was a knock on the door.
Who is it?
It's Grandma Butcher Apple.
Wow, what a hairy grandma.
Thank you.
I know. It looks like the big bad wolf is up to no good again.
But what happened to Snow White and Little Red Riding Hood? Where are they?
They're on their way. Have some patience, please.
Oh, sorry.
Who is it?
It's me, Snow White. I'm sorry, but I have to be with them soon. Do you think they'll be alright? Yeah, that'll be fun.
I'm here to hang a bit late, but I brought some treats to my house. Well, it's a bit crowded with me. You see, my grandma's also coming to visit. That's not your grandma. That's not your grandma. That's my grandma. Yeah. I think some people need to visit their grandma more.
I agree. Told you it looked like the big bad wolf all dressed up though.
Shh. Let's get back to the story.
Well, I did notice she was looking a bit furry today.
Who could it be now?
It is I, Prince Charming. I'm here to coach my dog, Olive.
I'm sorry, Prince Charming. We haven't seen any dogs today.
Oh dear, we played dress up with him, and I couldn't take his costume off. That collar looks familiar what my dog collar wears.
Oh man, I think I got away with it. I just want some beef jerky and some pets.
He's a puppy?
Oh, I love puppies.
Well, we could stay here for a little while, but no more tricking people.
Oh. And that's where we leave the story. Cinderella was no longer feeling lonely. They all had a lovely afternoon together.
Well, that story was not what we were expecting at all.
That's what makes a good story, right?
Yeah, I guess you're right. But what happened to Cinderella's real grandma?
Yes. Well, we'll leave that story for another time.
The